I love my parents and I love my friends. There's just a different height to it, and I get it now. And without sounding cliche, I get more of the reason that I'm here, what my life is about.
Merry Christmas! Uy, nakabot ang mga taga Middleton. Hello, good morning, Merry Christmas! Oh, dyan sa Middleton now in
You know, you don't choose your family. God chooses your family. And so in life, it's not what cards have been handed to you, it's how you play them. And God has chosen your family. You don't choose them. God chooses them. And then the question is, what are you going to make of it? kami sa Gamboa residence na ni sa may Camp Phillips. Ako man ako kumangon. Big. Your family is not apart from your real life. It is a part of your real life.
Merry Christmas from the Gamboa family and
Merry Christmas, Alaba family.
just love.
It's a joyous thing and something I'm so glad of and happy. I'm very grateful for that, really am. I'm very happy to have them in my life. I'm very, very lucky to have them in my life as well.
Your life is your life. Don't let it be clubbed into dank submission. Beyond the watch, there are ways out. There is a light somewhere. It may not be much light, but it beats the darkness. Beyond the watch, the gods will offer you chances. Know them. Take them.
Sa tapaingon?
Sa plaza!
Tumi sa plaza karon. Tanawon na to. Napa ba yung mga bata nagdula dito? Siya tanawon dito.
Mga bata.
Kauban ako si... Kinsa akong kauban?
Rodson, Rodson.
Si Rodson Roson ang mga twins ng Alaba family. Yes! Aper! Asa ka ba yun? Asa ka ba yun?
And the more often you learn to do it, the more light there will be. Your life is your life. Know it while you have it. You are marvelous. The gods wait to delight in you.